students, welcome to Priya Math channel today. Today we are going to discuss the new topic coordinate geometry chapter 7 paper 2 lo untundi idi manaki. So coordinate geometry are introduced by or father of the coordinate geometry or analytical geometry, René Descartes. His name is René Descartes. René Descartes, father of analytical geometry. He was the French mathematician. Okay, students. In this chapter, you will be find already the coordinate and abscissa and etc. These terms are you learned in the previous class. Now today we are going to distance between 2 points. Okay, students. The first distance between 2 points. In general, for the points A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 on the x-axis, the distance of A and B is denoted modulus of x2 minus x1. This symbol indicate modulus. If either plus or minus, you have to take the positive values. Again, the distance between A and B, y-axis A and B, modulus of y2 minus y1. For example, find the distance of A 2 comma 0, B 6 comma 0. So this is on the x-axis. So you have to find the formula distance of AB is equal to mod of x2 minus x1. So A, what is the A? 2 comma 0, B 6 comma 0. Say this called x1 y1 and x2 y2. So these are the zeros. So x2 means how much? 6 minus 2, that is equal to modulus 4. You have to take the 4. Next, find distance of A 0 comma 8, 0 comma 4. This is on the y-axis. A is equal to 0 comma 8, B 0 comma 4. This formula AB is equal to mod of y2 minus y1. Say x1 y1, this is called x2 y2. Put here y2 means 4. 4 minus 8, that is equal to mod minus 4. Already I said this symbol is indicated the modulus. Modulus means you have to take the positive or negative. So first you have to must take the positive value 4. The 4, the distance between AB equal to 4. So you have finished the distance on x-axis and distance on y-axis. Now we are going to discuss the distance from origin. Origin, I am writing in the graph here. Origin is intersect point in x-axis and y-axis. 0. On 0 from any point, you have to take the formula square root of x square plus y square. X square plus y square. For example, find the distance from origin and 3 comma 4. Origin 3 comma 4. If we have to take any one, A is the 0 comma 0 origin. Which one? This one? 7 comma 4. So the distance find here in the formula x1 square plus y1 square. Square root of 7 square plus 4 square. 7 square means 49 plus 4 square means 16. So that is equal to how much? 49, 16. 5, 15, 65, root 65. So this is the distance from the origin to 7 comma 4. Students, already you find brief గా మనం ఫార్ములా ప్రాబ్లం చేద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనం ఇందాక x యాక్సిస్ మీద y యాక్సిస్ మీద అనే దాని గురించి మనం ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం, తర్వాత కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసిన వ్యక్తి పేరు, తర్వాత కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసాం. హియర్ distance between any 2 points a line in the xy plane. xy plane లో డిస్టెన్స్ కనుక్కోవడానికి ఒక ఫార్ములా మనం నేర్చుకుంటాం. ఆల్రెడీ యు నోస్ ఇట్. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square ప్లస్ y2 మైనస్ y1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసి ఈ టూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని మనం సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. ఫైండ్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 2, 3 and 4, 1 and second problem 4, 3, 8, 6. I can explain on the board first. When they gave like this problem, you must run the one line. Say A. What is the A? Here 2, 3. Say this is the x1, y1. B 4, 1 in x2, y2. Then you have to write the formula. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. Then you have to substitute this value in the formula. x2 means 4, x1 means 2, 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. Again you have to write 4 minus 2 means 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 2 square means 4 minus 2 whole square means also 4. Before it you must write the plus or minus, don't forget it. So that is equal to plus or minus root 8. Root 8 you have to write 4 into 2. What is the root of 4 value? 2. 2 root 2. This is the distance between AB. Here the second one. Find the distance of 4, 3 and 8, 6. A 4, 3. B 8, 6. So you have to take this one x1 y1, this one x2 y2. Again you have to write AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then you have to substitute the value. x2 means 8 minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to 8 minus 4, 4 whole square plus 6 minus 3, 3 whole square, that is equal to 4 square into 4 into 4, 16 plus 3 square means 9. That 16 plus 9, 25. Root 25 means how much? 5. So this is the distance between A and B, 5. Okay, so these are the important formula, distance between 2 points. Okay students, see you.